These are the Grados Gr9s. I normally don't open these and film it, but these are so rare. I kind of feel like I have to. You just don't find these anymore. Thank you to Tokyo Express in Taipei. Uh, Very nice shop full of wonderful headphones. And if you ever get the chance to stop by, feel free to do so. They're open. Very, very careful. But this is the packaging. Made in New York. These were made by Grados around 2010, roughly. And I'm trying to not damage the box. This is their first IEM. And this is what it looks like. I figured even if this was viewed by just a few people, I mean, that would be enough. It's just more important to record the history. Because you can't even buy these really ever. This is the foam insert. A little bit of wear, but it's alright. Then here are the headphones themselves. Look pretty standard looking. 3.5. I don't know what else to say about them. But very light. 50 years of tradition. Made in Japan. These were only made in Japan mainly, and it comes with these little replacement pieces for the earbud. And it's pretty simple. That's it for that. But we'll give her a little bit of a listen. I'm using the JM21. Should be more than enough to power. Very delicate. It's pretty long. This is the left earbud, like that. And then we'll play Rubber Ball. Oh. Very nice. You can hear the Grado in there. You can hear a lot of the detail. I'm not very good at this, but wonderful. You probably will never find these, but I just wanted to document it. Thank you for listening, and like I said, come on over to Tokyo Express. They got a whole bunch of selection. Yeah, these are amazing.